Here's a quick video on how to use a front coil spring compressor by OTC, part number 7045B. We're working on a new age Mustang, a 2002. The tool comes with 2 sets of support plates. We're gonna want the smaller set for the Mustang. The support plates have this circular piece. The top is gonna be facing down, and for the bottom, the piece is gonna be facing up. You also have these ball pieces. The one with the holes is gonna go on the top like that. And there's gonna be a pin that secures it to the threaded rod. And the bottom ball piece has this slot that'll go into the bottom like that. So I want my support plate right about here. And for the bottom, right about here. So essentially, they're just gripping like that. We're gonna insert the threaded rod with the hole towards the top. Now put in your ball piece, taper side going down, and secure it with the pin. Pins in and seat it on the top. So it should look something like that. That's very important because these prevent the tool from rotating whenever there's tension on the spring. Slide in the lower ball, taper side up, then slide in the thrust bearing, followed by the barrel nut. Now I'm gonna grab the threaded rod with a 1/2 inch wrench, and now we're gonna tighten. Without compressing the spring, you're gonna have a very tough time putting it back onto the control arm, especially if it's a stock spring on a new age Mustang. The tool is a bit expensive. It costs about $240. Oh, but you'll be glad you have it when you need it. To remove the spring compressor, slowly loosen up the barrel nut. With the barrel nut removed, you can then remove the threaded rod by removing the pin from the upper ball. In this particular case, I put the top support plate a bit too high on the spring. It was binding and I couldn't remove it. I was able to free it by lowering the control arm and letting the spring extend slightly. But man, that's risky. So don't place that top support plate too high up, or you'll probably have to remove the spring and start over. Well, it's time for me to spring on out of here. Like and subscribe.